the bee yard. It's gotten a little bit overgrown and I'm way behind on schedule. So my intention was to inspect these hives. These were nukes that I purchased. My intention was to inspect them 2 weeks after I got them, and we're up to about 5 weeks now. They were 5-frame nuke boxes. I put them into 8-frame hives with 3 drawn out frames in each hive. So yeah, it just hasn't been a good time to do an inspection. I've been busy or haven't been able to do it, or it's been super windy. And anyways, that's enough of my excuses. I really need to inspect these hives. I've come prepared with other boxes in case I have to add on to these. I'm hoping to see that these boxes are full. What I'm inspecting for today is their population to make sure that they keep expanding. The hive is hopefully looking a little crowded. I'm looking to see signs of a queen, such as multiple stages of bee life cycle, or the queen herself. And I don't want to see any disease or varroa mites. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. So without further ado, let's get into it. Flow hive. We're going to stay true to the original owner, the original beekeeper, Monty. So this will be the Monty hive. And then the other one I haven't decided yet. So yeah, we're going to inspect the Monty hive first. So let's head on over and let's get into it, shall we? All right. Now, if you guys watched my other video, you know that this hive was very calm, a lot less active than the other hive. So hopefully that remains true today. Oh yeah. Oh man. Definitely. So my queen isn't up here. Man, look at all those bees on this top. I can say that I don't know if I've ever seen that before, or at least that much on any of my hives. So happy about that. It's pretty windy out here. All right. Well, we got bees chock-a-block down every row. We've got a lot of the comb built up here on the top. I mean, this thing is packed. I don't even know if I even need to pull any of these out, to be honest. Look, the bees are just overflowing on the side right here. And I can't even get, you know, sometimes you think you got this figured out. You're like, oh, I'm a second-year beekeeper. I'm all good. And you crack open your hive and you're just like, man, how did those guys do it? How did they do it? How do you get in here without hurting any of the bees, damaging any of the bees? Get these frames out. Look at that. Just full. Other side as well. That's the outer frames. I've never had hives build up to the outer frames. That's a drone comb there. Lots of pollen though. Finally get to see some drones. So new beekeepers like me, I don't think I saw any drones last year in my hives. I may have said I did, but there's no mistaking them. They are huge. They're almost double the size of the regular bees. So yeah, no mistaking them. Lots of bees, lots of pollen. This hive is crazy amazing. Crazy amazing. I mean, are you guys seeing this? All these bees? Alright, at this point I'm asking myself, what am I inspecting for? I mean, I know it's full. I know there's honey. There is no doubt in my mind this hive is doing just peachy. This is craziness. I'm liking it though. I'm thinking I should just put another box on top. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know, do you think I need to do any more inspections? Yeah, I don't think so. I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna put a top box on. Now my plan for the Monty hive, this flow hive right here, is to put my honey supers, my honey flow supers on here. So I'm gonna put a medium box on, and then if they fill up this medium box, I'm gonna put the honey supers on top of that. That is the master plan at this point. So I'm gonna smoke these bees down. That looks good, that looks good. Get this box on here real quick. Not crush any of these bees. Okay, so let's move on to this hive. This hive had the blue marked queen in it. So, and there was a lot more bees and they were a lot more active than the other hive. So let's get into this one and check it out, see where we're at. Oh, look. He's pulling a larva or something around right there. I just gotta check that out. I think I pulled that out when I pulled off the top. I don't know where he's going with it. But yeah, there was this comb right here. I think that's drone comb. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff stuck to this. A lot of stuff stuck to this. Look at all those on the lid. See, there's drones. Where'd they go? I'll show you. Right here. See those drones in there? They're much bigger. You can pick them out. That guy right there. He's ginormous compared to the rest of them. And again, wall-to-wall bees in here. This hive is just doing amazing. Man, alright, these bees are pretty aggro. I want to try to take this frame out right here, but there is a lot of burr comb on it. Or, I don't know what kind of comb you call it, but it's just. I think I know better than to pull this frame up from the middle. I really, really want to. So swarm cups. Swarm cups right there at the top. Or it's on the bottom of the screen. Lots of drones still. There's brood. And look at that cell right there. You see that cell right there? Is that a queen cell? These queen cells? So I may have some issue right now. What is that? What is this? Those bees? Is that a bee right there? Maybe, yeah, probably. That looks like a queen cell. Look at all these cells. So I don't know if I'm gonna swarm, what I should do with all this stuff on here. These queen cells, all those cells. I mean, that's just on one frame. Man, this is craziness. This is really craziness. This is where you need like a mentor to come help with this stuff. So you just don't know what to do. That was a queen larva right there. Alright. Now I gotta get this back in here. These guys are not going to be happy with me for sure. That was probably a mistake. Big mistake. Big mistake. Okay, so I prepared these boxes in advance. Hold on here. I'm gonna go with another deep on this one. There we go. Yeah, let's just be honest. I was intimidated by these hives, both these hives. They are chock-a-block full of bees. There's brace comb everywhere. It's hard to get the frames out. There's only one obvious thing about this day, is that they needed new boxes, and they both got new boxes. There are a lot of cells in each of those hives. They may swarm. I don't know if adding a box is going to stop them from swarming, or if I should have went in and removed all those cups, cut out all that brace comb. This is just one of those things that you learn by experience. I really don't know. But as far as having two active, thriving hives, that's for certain. For certain. Maybe I could have done a better inspection and split them. I don't know. I'm hoping for some comments. I'm going to try to post this video as quickly as I can. Let me know what you guys think. Should I have gone deeper into the hives? Knocked out all those cups? Taken off all that brace comb? Or should I just let bees be bees? Just when you thought it. Just when you thought you had it all figured out. Shoot dang. I feel like this inspection was bad for the bees.